Think blockchain is just about Bitcoin? Think again. In this video, I'll uncover how blockchain technology is revolutionizing industries far beyond cryptocurrency, from supply chains to healthcare to digital identity. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, investor, or just curious about the future, this is one you don't want to miss. Be sure to subscribe for weekly deep dives into tech, finance, and innovation. Let's get started. 10. Revolutionizing supply chain transparency. Blockchain is transforming the global supply chain by enabling greater transparency and traceability. In traditional systems, tracking the origin and journey of goods is often complex and fragmented. With blockchain, each product's movement, from origin to final delivery, can be recorded immutably. This is already being implemented by major companies like Walmart and IBM in food safety and logistics. Consumers can verify if a product is ethically sourced, whether it's organic, and how long it took to reach them. This level of traceability boosts trust, reduces fraud, and streamlines recalls, ultimately improving the efficiency of global trade. 9. Reinventing identity verification and digital IDs. Blockchain offers a decentralized and secure way to manage digital identities. Instead of relying on centralized databases vulnerable to breaches, individuals can store their identity data on the blockchain and control access to it. Projects like Estonia's e-residency program and Microsoft's IOLAN are pioneering this shift. Blockchain-based digital IDs can be used for banking, healthcare, voting, and international travel. By reducing identity fraud and enhancing personal data ownership, this technology empowers individuals and strengthens the integrity of digital interactions globally. 8. Powering smart contracts and decentralized agreements. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements coded directly onto the blockchain. They automatically trigger outcomes when predefined conditions are met, eliminating the need for intermediaries. Ethereum was the first to popularize this concept, but many blockchains now support smart contracts. These agreements are being used in real estate for automating sales, in insurance for processing claims, and in freelance work for instant payments. Smart contracts reduce delays, legal costs, and human error, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure across numerous industries. 7. Enabling decentralized finance, DeFi. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, uses blockchain to recreate traditional financial services without banks or brokers. With DeFi platforms, users can lend, borrow, earn interest, and trade assets, all through decentralized protocols. Platforms like Uniswap, Aave, and Compound are leading this financial revolution. Users retain full control over their funds and interact with financial products in a transparent, non-custodial environment. By removing gatekeepers, DeFi makes financial services more accessible, particularly for the unbanked or underbanked populations around the world. 6. Securing digital voting systems. Blockchain could solve long-standing issues in electoral systems such as fraud, lack of transparency, and low voter turnout. A blockchain-based voting system ensures that every vote is recorded immutably and can be verified without compromising voter anonymity. Countries like South Korea and companies like Votes in the US have piloted blockchain voting in limited scenarios. The technology could revolutionize democracy by enabling secure, remote voting from smartphones or home computers, making elections more accessible and tamper-proof. 5. Transforming healthcare data management. Blockchain can securely store medical records, giving patients control over who accesses their data and under what conditions. In today's fragmented healthcare system, patient records are often scattered across different institutions. Blockchain creates a unified, immutable record that follows the patient, not the provider. Institutions like Mayo Clinic and partnerships like IBM Watson Health are exploring blockchain for this purpose. By improving data security and interoperability, blockchain enhances patient outcomes and paves the way for more personalized healthcare. 4. Authenticating art, luxury goods, and collectibles. Blockchain is being used to verify the authenticity and ownership of high-value items, from digital art and luxury handbags to wine and sneakers. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are a prime example. Each token is unique and proves ownership of a digital or physical asset. Platforms like VeChain are using blockchain to authenticate designer goods and prevent counterfeiting. This innovation protects consumers, maintains brand integrity, and creates new markets for verified resale. Blockchain's ability to store immutable provenance records is reshaping how we perceive ownership and authenticity. 3. Facilitating cross-border payments and remittances. Sending money across borders has traditionally been slow and expensive, involving banks, currency conversions, and hefty fees. Blockchain drastically reduces these barriers by enabling near-instant, low-cost global transfers. Platforms like Ripple and Stellar are already being used for remittances and interbank settlements. Blockchain eliminates intermediaries and simplifies currency exchange through tokens or stablecoins. For migrant workers in developing nations, this means faster access to funds and reduced reliance on costly traditional systems, revolutionizing the way money moves internationally. 2. Building decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. DAOs are organizations run by code, not people, where governance decisions are made by token holders through voting mechanisms. Everything from budget approvals to business strategies can be encoded and executed transparently on a blockchain. DAOs are redefining how companies are structured and managed. They remove the need for traditional hierarchies and intermediaries, promoting democratic, community-driven decision-making. From investment funds to social clubs and nonprofits, DAOs are pioneering a new era of decentralized collaboration and corporate governance. 1. Laying the foundation for Web3 and the future Internet. Blockchain is the cornerstone of Web3, the next evolution of the Internet. Unlike Web2, where a few corporations control data and platforms, Web3 is about user ownership and decentralized infrastructure. On this Internet, users control their data, content creators monetize directly, and services operate on decentralized networks instead of centralized servers. Blockchains support decentralized storage, like Filecoin, computing, like Ethereum, and domain systems, like ENS. This shift has the potential to democratize the Internet, reduce censorship, and redefine how we interact online. Beyond Bitcoin, blockchain is not just a financial tool, it's the architecture for a freer, more inclusive digital world. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.